Okay, welcome to the Alpha Bravo search backpack from Tumi look at video. We are going to go through this slowly, say every little bit of piece. I got the style number up there, the Alpha Bravo search backpack. Notice this double zipper on the top, very cool. We love the accordion backpack feature that lets us get in there to all those pockets. I think there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 pockets in the back here. Come on, zip this thing up. Come on, I know I can do it. There we go. Zip it up. Good job. In the front pocket here, we've got the little I'm not sure what that is. Little pocket in the front. Get some of that trash out of there. Nice. And shut. What is that? I don't know. Oh, 3M. It's an extra thing for the logos. Let's go to the front pocket. Lots of fun. Tumi bag. Let's see. Look in there. 4 media pockets, 2 card pockets, 2 pen pockets, a zipper in the back side. There, come on. Let me see the zipper in the back side. There it is. Oh yeah. Passport goes there with some extra cash. And what are we gonna hide there? I don't know. All kinds of good stuff. Again, the accordion stuff. We love that. Keep shit from falling out. And oh my god, this color is amazing for old people. I'm not saying I'm old, but I'm old enough to appreciate that light lime green, whatever it is, sonic boom, blue, yellow crap. Oh, there's a key leash. So we can see stuff inside that backpack without having to get a flashlight. Key leash. Yay. Yeah. Here's the side pocket. This is gonna be the pocket for the water bottle. It's amazing. There's a vent down in there in the bottom left. I didn't get a very good picture of it, but if you could look and see, I'm not sure what those strange things are, but we're gonna figure out how to use them. These pockets is the only one that's black lined, and that's because it is a waterproof pocket. A core bottle, normal size, pretty big. This pocket swallows it up. I'm gonna get the bigger bottle and see if it fits in there now, because it swallowed that one up way too easy. Alright, what do we got next? Oh, come on, big bottle. This video's taking a long time. I didn't realize it till you start talking in it. There it is, big bottle. Much bigger. Total backpack weight 3.3 pounds without nothing in it. And there's a big bottle, fits in there. You can certainly carry it. Obviously you're not going to be able to zip it shut, but if you drink a lot of water, it works. And the side pocket on the right does not button. It's open for your wallets and stuff. The yellow pocket on there, zip up. Again, all kinds of cool stuff. Alright, we're going to go back to the back. Show you the Tumi carry handle with the leather accent. Ooh wee, leather accent. Take that, bitches. Get that water bottle out there. What's that trash doing on the side? Knock that trash off. Knock the trash off, really. The daisy chains on the front. That's where you can add all the compatible with the Tumi Plus stuff. Hang anything you want off it, pretty much. That's one side, and here's the other side. My favorite part of it all, this hidden pocket. That's the reason I bought this backpack and all the other Tumi bags I have. It is absolutely amazing when you need it. Bam, gone, just like that. Where'd it go? I don't know. Let's see. Can I get it in and out of there again? Yeah, that's where it's at. But you can't see it, can you? Oh, there it is. Nice. Love it. Dang, those are some old man hands, aren't they? And I'm only 20. Years older than most people. Oh, this is the sunglasses case on the front. They call it a modular case. I don't know why. A little bit expensive. Was it worth it? We'll see. But you know us men, we love to be able to hang shit off a backpack or hang shit wherever we can, connect it. And that's exactly what it's made for. They captured that market for us men. And right here, we're going to do the accessory bag on the same daisy chain type situation here. Let's see if I can get this. There it is right there. They call it the mobile organizer. There's your SAL number. A little bit tricky to open for the first time, so I had to move, but here it is open. And let me show you how it drops in there. Acid green is the color of that bag and the inside of that liner. Again, absolutely love it. Easy to find, easy to see. Brilliant. Yeah, like it. Lots of room. I'll do a video later as I get this thing all packed up and fold and use it like I'm really going to use it. But this is just a look at video. Nothing more. Oh, and this little bag here, I thought I was going to use my ear pods for it, but I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this little accessory pouch. Try a couple places to hang it. Again, we love to hang stuff. I think this bag was on sale for half price along with the accessory bag right now on Tumi, and this is almost July 2024, so check their website, see what you got on sale. This bag was actually a great deal. It's stickered at $6.50. I got it on sale for I think $3.89, shipped to me for $400. Wonderful sale for a great product. Absolutely love this product. Go Tumi. Yep, I can see it. Can you see it? There it is. Look at it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, get a little pat on the butt. And the most important part that you have to have is absolutely love this luggage carrier, because I'm always carrying this thing with my carry-on at the airport, and without it, it is a nightmare. You'll see in my other video, the last bag I thought I was going to love did not have that feature, and it broke my heart. Alright, there it is. We love it. Absolutely think it's a great value for your money. Please hit like and subscribe so I can quit my job and do this full time. Thank you.